Hey everybody, and welcome to another episode of Estate Planning TV. I'm your host, Christopher Small, and this is the internet's most passionate show about estate planning. And real quick, if you are listening to this intro, then what you are about to hear is one of my recent Facebook Live videos. If you haven't seen one of those before or didn't know about them, then please go and check out my Facebook page, CMS Law Firm, so that you don't miss them. All right, without further ado, here we go. Hey everybody, this is Christopher Small. I'm the owner of CMS Law Firm, and if you are a parent with minor children, this is a video you should watch. Now, I am an estate planning attorney. To give you a little bit of background, I have created many estate plans for people with kids at home. I've created an estate plan for myself. I have a 6, 4, and 2-year-old. And in all those conversations, one of the things that I see and hear actually missed a lot are the thoughts about what happens if something happens to you, but you don't die. You know, let's take the example of you're out on a date with your spouse and you get in a car accident and you're both in a coma for 3 months. What people often don't think about is, okay, well, what happens then, right? Because we always think about naming guardians for our children if we die, but we don't really think about what happens in that interim if we don't die, but we also can't, take care of our kids. That's what I wanted to talk about today, are the sort of the two vehicles that you use to do that. Because remember, if somebody just steps into your shoes, let's say you're in the hospital and grandma takes over, when it's time to enroll your kid for school, they're going to run into major roadblocks. When it's time to take them for their annual doctor's visit, they're going to run into major roadblocks. When it's time to cash a check for them or sign a waiver at a birthday party, they're going to run into major problems. So what we try to do is alleviate those problems, take care of those concerns, and provide a true legal means, a true legal designation of a temporary guardian for your kids, so that if, God forbid, something would happen to you, there would be somebody there to step in and really be able to take over the day-to-day parenting responsibilities without having to worry about it. Now, what are these two documents? I'm glad you asked. The first is power of attorney for the care of minor children. It does exactly what you would think it would do. This covers basically anything non-medical. Okay, like I said, enrolling for school, waivers for birthday parties, all these things, right? It would take care of. And then the other thing that we have is medical representative for minor children. And this is sort of like a medical power of attorney that you might sign yourself, but it does the same thing. It allows for doctor's visits. It allows for the consent of medical treatment. It allows for all of those things. What you're going to have if you have these two documents is sort of a full, complete protection for your kids if something happens to you, but you don't die. All right, so that's it. The purpose of this video is just really to provide information, to give you the knowledge that you need to make the decisions that you need to protect your family, and I hope this helped to do that. My only one request is, actually I have two requests. If you like this video, maybe hit the like button, maybe give me a heart or something. And if you know someone that could benefit from watching this video, please share it with them. Just type their name in the comment below and say like, hey, give this a watch. I really appreciate it. All right, that is it. Once again, I'm Chris Small with CMS Law Firm, and hope you have a great day.